Okay, so Callie and I decided to make the gray stuff from Be Our Guest restaurant and of course Beauty and the Beast. We're gonna mix it up and see how it tastes. It looks like it's really easy to make, so come on and join us. Let's get started. There are not a lot of ingredients to this recipe, and all of them are easy to find at your grocery store. They are whole milk, instant vanilla pudding mix, chocolate sandwich cookies, we used Oreos, whipped topping, we used Cool Whip, instant chocolate pudding mix, 12 scalloped sugar cookies for the base, we used Oreos for this, and edible sugar pearls or other sprinkles for garnish. And so I think we ought to get started. You're gonna mix, what is that, the milk and the pudding first. All right. There you go. Okay.
I'm going to put the lid on it and let it sit in the fridge for 2 hours.
2 hours. Okay, and it's gonna get kind of thick, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we are making the gray stuff today from Beauty and the Beast. And what's your favorite part of that movie, Callie?
Be Our Guest.
Be Our Guest. Ah, where all the dishes dance.
And you can see everybody in the movie.
You can. And they cook all that wonderful food, and they bring out the gray stuff for Bill, right?
They made me hungry, and I wanted to try to cook the gray stuff, and now we're finally cooking the gray stuff.
There you go. Okay, what do we have left?
Sprinkles, Cool Whip, Jell-O, and Oreos.
Okay, and that's still what we've got to put in, right?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right, so as soon as the Jell-O is cold, we'll mix that stuff in.
Yes, ma'am.
We're going to put the Oreos in the blender and chop those up really small to go into our pudding. And I think this is what makes the gray stuff gray, is these Oreos.
I think it is.
They're going to get chopped up really small. So go ahead and put those in, Callie. There you go. All righty. Okay, go ahead. We'll mix in our cookies. All right. The pudding. Mix that in well. After mixing in the Cool Whip and the 3 tablespoons of the dry chocolate pudding, put the mixture back into the refrigerator for at least another hour to thicken. Remove the gray stuff from the refrigerator and put it into small bowls or on a plate. We used Oreo cookies as a base, and then we popped it on top. Then we garnished it with red sugar and chocolate sprinkles. It's such a pretty dessert, and we think that Lumiere would be pleased. Bon appetit! Okay, so we're done. Taste it and see what you think, Callie. Well?
I don't like it, I love it.
You love it. Is it that good?
It's really good. I actually can taste the sprinkles in it. I can taste like the sprinkles.
You
in
can?
my mouth. Yeah.
Yeah, we put a few sprinkles on there for decoration, didn't we?
I can't stop eating it.
Well, that's good, right? So you like it?
I love it.
Okay, so what do you think? Thumbs up?
3 thumbs up.
3 thumbs up. Wow. Okay. That good, huh?
That's really good.
Okay.
You can do as many thumbs ups as you can.
So we didn't ask the dishes, we asked Collie. And she says the gray stuff is delicious.
Belle is lucky that she got to try it.
Well, now we got to try, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, guys, Kelly and I had so much fun making this. It's no bake, so it was a great dessert for us to make together. We both really liked it. 3 thumbs up. Oh, 4 thumbs up. Well, let's just say it's really delicious. Don't believe me? Well, you don't have to ask the dishes. We asked Collie. So, we hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a like
And subscribe.
on Facebook and follow us on social media. We're on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Thanks for watching, guys, and hurry back.